Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to use a wall and a mat, and we're going to do about 15 minutes on different exercises. So let's get started. Grab your mat. So let's start on your back for bridge. So I want you to bring your butt closer to the wall. I want you to have a 90-degree at your knees right here. Arms are staying by your side, and 90-degree at your knees as well. So abs tight, inhale, exhale, push the butt up towards the sky. Slowly come down to inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. I was hoping it was his head, not his butt. Good. Again, down and up. Can we do 6? 5 and 4. And I did my workout today, and I work my hamstrings a lot, so I can feel it already. Let's go for 2 more. And last one. Good. And slowly release. Okay, now I'm going to do one leg. So I want you to go down and up and point your toes up towards the sky. Slowly come down. Abs are tight. Keep your hips parallel to each other. Inhale, exhale up. So keep your arms down, palms down. It's going to help you as well. Good. And again for 4, 3, I feel it, 2, so glutes and hamstrings, calves, and let's go for 1 more. Good. And we have 2 legs, so let's go right away. Inhale, exhale up, point up towards the sky. Inhale, make sure again you're keeping your hips parallel to each other, and feel if you're stronger in one leg than the other. Very possible. We're not even on both sides. Again, 4, 3, 2, easier. Good. 1 more. Easier when we go both legs. Good. And slowly release. Okay, now look at that. You can just go butt down, point, and flex. Okay. But of course, at left, you can go again in bridge. Tip your toes right here. Let's go. Abs are tight. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Do you feel the burn? 2, and 1 more. Stay up, up, up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. And release. Now you're going to bring your butt very close to the wall, and I'm going to use gravity here to work my inner thighs. You might feel a stretch as well. So butt against the wall, and we're going to open and close again. Gravity. Abs are tight. Feel your lower back in contact with the mat. So we're going to inhale, exhale, point, and close. Again, 10, 9. Try not moving anything from your torso to your head. 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1 more. That's it, and slowly release. I'm going to go away again from the wall. Then I want we walk the feet up towards the sky against the wall. Okay, ready? Let's go up and walk and walk. You're going to feel the weight on your shoulders. Listen to your neck and shoulders. Try to stretch your legs and slowly come back down, 1 vertebrae at a time. Ready? Inhale, exhale, walk and walk. Lift again. Feel the weight on your shoulders. Stretch your leg if you want. And let's go again. Come back slowly down and again up. and down. Good. Feel the work again right here. Glutes, hamstrings. And slowly up. Can we do for 3 more? Yahoo! 2. And I'm gonna go for 1 more. That's it. Good. Try to stay up, 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 up. Bring the butt as high as you can. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly come back down. You're welcome to bring your knees to your chest. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn my mat. So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to turn my mat because I'm going to go sideways and on my back as well, because I want we work sideways against the wall. Okay, let's go on your back. Bring your hip very close to the wall. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do kind of, you know, a clam when we open the legs. So the knees, abs are tight, feel your lower back against the mat. And I'm going to open my knee towards the wall to force against. So try to push the wall away from you. So we're going to inhale to release, exhale to force to open. Inhale, exhale. That's it. So try not moving the other knee. So bring your pelvic floor up, abs into your spine. You can even keep your arms by your side, but at least one, and keep the shoulder. Good. And again for 6, 5. Feel the work in your outer thigh. That's it. 3 more. So look straight up at the sky. 2. Okay, and 1 more. Before I switch side, I want you to turn on your side and I'm going to work your glutes. So rest your arm, your head right here on your arm. You're going to use your heel to push the weight again right here against the wall. So elbow tight. And I don't want you to push your stomach forward when you're going to press behind. Ready? Inhale, exhale, press. Inhale to release, exhale, press. I want you to feel the contraction right here in your glutes. That's it. So I'm focusing just on your glutes. Hamstrings are assisting. There we go. And let's go again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Almost done. Come on for 3. In 2. And 1 more time. Nice. And release. And let's switch side. Again, I'm going to start with the clam when I force to open my knee towards the wall. So bring your hip against the wall. Abs are tight against the mat. And same with your shoulder. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to open your knee against the wall. Inhale to release. Exhale to open. Good. Again. 6, 5, 4, 3 more. 2, and 1 more. Beautiful. And slowly release. Now turn right here on your side. Same thing. We're just going to push your heel towards the wall. So inhale, exhale, press. Abs are tight. Inhale to release. Exhale to press. Good. Let's go again. 10, 9. So I use my exhale to press against the wall. 7, 6, 5, 4, In 3, feel it right here in your glutes. 2, and 1 more. Good, and slowly release. You're welcome to have a seat on your mat. Voila, that was my little workout using the wall. If it wasn't enough, you're welcome to do a second set. So thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos, please visit my website, www.abstractfitness.ca. Thank you for watching and see you soon.